गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन एंड स्वागत है आप सभी का एक नए वीडियो में। माय नेम इज़ ब्रायन एंड माय गोल इज़ टू हेल्प यू ऑल टू रीच योर फिटनेस गोल्स। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू गेट दो शोल्डर्स डेवलप्ड। शोल्डर्स हैज़ बीन वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट बॉडी पार्ट इन द जिम। सो सिंस दिस इज़ एन इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो, let's get started with the video without wasting much time. So firstly, I would like to explain the structure of the shoulder muscle. The shoulder muscle consists of three parts. The first part is the front delt, the side delt and the rear delt. Now the reason I'm explaining you all the structure of the shoulder muscle is because we can easily focus and target that particular muscle in a better way if we know where the muscle is located. तो हमारा पहला स्टेप है वार्म अप. Warm up is very important before performing any particular movement or exercise. Before hitting a particular muscle group, we must see to it that those muscles are properly warmed up before doing the shoulder movement. Now, the shoulder are one of the most injury prone area in the human body. So we must see to it that shoulders are properly warmed up before doing any shoulder movement. Now, I've seen many people in the gym getting those shoulder injuries due to lack of warm up. The most common shoulder injuries are shoulder sprain, shoulder tear and shoulder strains. So if you all want to know my shoulder warm up routine which I personally follow, make sure you all comment in the comment box below. तो अभी हमारा second step है shoulder exercises. So the first exercise for the shoulder will be the standing overhead dumbbell press. Now the key to proper form to this exercise is to keep your chest out and your core engaged all the time during performing the exercise. Now, we must see to it that the elbows are slightly in front of the shoulders to get that proper form. So now, if you feel that the standing overhead dumbbell press does not give you that proper pressure on that shoulder, you can perform the seated overhead dumbbell press. Now here what happens is, you are not able to use your other muscles of the body and your legs to cheat, which we often do. So we can perform the seated overhead dumbbell press, which will give an even more better focus on that shoulder. Now if you want to challenge yourself a bit more or even more, you can perform the one hand overhead dumbbell press. I personally use this exercise, that is the one hand overhead dumbbell press, in my shoulder routine. And beginners, you all can start taking light weights for this exercise and get those gains. Now after performing the overhead dumbbell press, we come to the lateral raises. So this exercise focuses on hitting the side delt of the muscle or of the shoulder muscle, and we need to keep in mind one thing, that our chest should be out and our core should be engaged and tight all the time during performing the movement. Now if you want to make this exercise challenging too, you can hit the one hand lateral raise. Now this exercise will focus more on the shoulder and make the movement even more harder compared to the two hand lateral raise, and this will give you those gains. After completing the lateral raises, we come down to the rear delt dumbbell flies. Now this rear delt completes the round figure of the shoulder and gives that 3D look. And the key to proper form to this exercise is to keep your back bent properly and your elbows flared outwards. Now the third point is progressive overload. Progressive overload is very important because it increases our performance in the gym. Now progressive overload can be either by increasing your volume or your repetitions, or it can be either increasing your weight. If you all want a detailed explanation on progressive overload, you all can check out my leg strengthening and development video. Now the fourth point is nutrition. Nutrition plays an important role in building those muscles. Just a simple thing to keep in mind is to keep your protein intake high, that is 1 or 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Now because of lockdown, many people have asked me how to do those shoulder exercises to get those shoulders developed. So I have made some exercises which can be used without equipments to get those shoulders developed. So I used to follow this routine before getting any equipment. So here are other videos.
I'm moving too far. Getting lost.
So thank you everyone for watching the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more